Previously on Mina's Happy Life.
Made it to Kerr Lake. I did it, y'all. I put it up by myself. Man. But anyway, I gotta go. But I'm not going to have to stop because I'm going to plug my lunchbox up and put it on like an hour before I stop and let my breakfast heat up. So I'm at a rest stop. I am tired, y'all. I've driven 200 miles. So I'm ready to eat my breakfast. Whew, I'm hungry. I missed a rest stop earlier. I was too close and I couldn't get over. Well, not too close. I was close, but I couldn't get over. So I have an hour that I'm gonna stop at an attraction. I'll put it like that. Then I have 4 more hours to my destination. So I'll keep you updated. So I'm about 30 minutes from my stop, and I guess it's rush hour traffic. They're going about 40 miles an hour out here. I think it's rush hour because it's backed up on the other side too. Keep you posted though. I'm in back of a brake happy. Brake. Just let off your gas. That's all you gotta do. Stop following so close and let off your gas. You don't gotta keep putting your brakes on every 5 seconds. Alright guys, let me focus. Hocus pocus. So this mess, till I get through this mess anyway. Brake. Yet another traffic jam. Oh my goodness. Just get your ass down the road now. The last one I passed, they was just rubbernecking. Like, what? Why do people have to stop and look at somebody that got a ticket? Like, what? Just move it along. Move your little ass along. It's none of your business. So I made my stop. And now I have about 3.5 hours. Should go. I'm just silly, y'all. I'm just tired of being in this traffic. Oh my goodness. No, no, no. Not getting over here. No. Not today. I feel like people are always trying to jump in front of me because they think, oh, this old van, let me go get in front of this old ass van. Nah, nah, bro. Not today. Not today, bro. I can roll with you. No, I'm sick of it. Just sick of it. They will snatch their ass right in front of me like I'm invisible. So I'm like a car length behind, but I keep my foot on the gas just in case. So I see somebody trying to get over, I'll put the pedal on to the metal, y'all. Just like now. The car beside me thought he was gonna get over. No, no. I'm not that courteous right now. I'm trying to get somewhere. And that's Waze. Waze always dinging, telling me it's a car on the road, it's a pothole, it's a cop. And then you're supposed to let them know if it's still there or not, right? I'd be like, Waze, I don't work for you. Like, this is my job or something, keeping track of what's going on the highway. It's not my job. Okay, we moving again. So let's get grooving. Man, what you got your brakes on? You 3 car lengths in back of somebody. Shouldn't be crack open. I am in South Carolina. South Kakalaki, y'all. I used to call it that when I was little, like, because I didn't know anything about it. I said, oh, that's South Kakalaki. Turns out, that's where my father's family is from, some of them. So, can't be busted grapes on. Alright? Okay. We rolling now.